Gangster look with a nerdish look there, making you look like you're so nerd. More you have like a bad boy swag them. You don't want a bad boy out there walk up and down with gun and name.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
It's Happy Hour with KeneishaSays Facebook Live. One more episode. Tonight I'm not drinking anything. I feel like I want water, so I'm drinking water tonight. So I can't draw me out. Good night, my mother. Good night, good night, good night. Tonight's topic, we'll be talking about when dating, what are some of the characteristics you look for in a spouse or in that guy or in that person or in that woman. What are some of the characteristics you look for? And then we can jump into this, okay? So, let's give them a few more minutes. All right, my mother. You know, that's okay. Once we're sipping on something, we're fine. Once we're chilling, it's all about chilling and being relaxed and being happy and all these things. So once that is happening, that's okay. That's all we want. Everybody just come and chill. Drink your tea, your water, your wine, your beer, anything that you have. And have fun, relax, and talk. That's what this segment is about, being interactive and talk and everything. So make sure you don't come already for talk. But you look for another man, you look for another woman when you're dating. I was talking to my sister about this the other day and she was saying, nobody not dating anymore. They just find one man or find one woman and they just jump in and doing all these routines. So I want to feel like we still, hey Wild Orchid, welcome, thank you for joining. I want to feel like we still have the minimum courts way and all these things before we feel like we jump in our bed. I'm not saying that it's everybody doing anything, right? But I want to feel like we still have people out there that actually date before getting anything serious, right? We're gonna talk, we're gonna have fun. Bring your tea, your water, your wine, your beer, your juice, whatever it is that you feel like you want to drink tonight. Me, as I said before, every night when I have me a drink wine, well, I don't have me a drink wine, but I'm drinking wine by myself because nobody's really talking, right? So for tonight, I feel like I want to drink some water, so I'm drinking some water tonight. So come on and let's have some fun. If you're on watching so far, you have not gone over to my YouTube channel, please go over to KeneishaSays on YouTube, obviously, and go like and share all those videos over there. You'll see many videos and I know you will like them. And please do not hesitate to subscribe and tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends to tell their mother, to tell their father, to all the family members to go ahead and subscribe and like. I really appreciate that and thank you in advance. Also follow me on Instagram, which is the same, KeneishaSays. Okay? Alright, so welcome again to one more episode of Happy Hour with KeneishaSays. Tonight's episode, as I said before, alright, I don't know, right? She must have gone in bed, it must be too late for her, I don't know. But tonight's topic is, when dating, what are some of the characteristics you look for in that person? You know, what you like, what tells you that this person is somebody that I want to maybe in a long-term relationship, maybe in the future engage or married or have kids, you know, with this person. What are the things that you look for? Me personally, since I don't want me to start, let me look for one guy. He has to be intelligent, but not a nerd type intelligent. You understand? Like, I don't mind if you are a nerd, but you can't look like a nerd. That makes sense? I want you to be intelligent in the sense that, let's put it intellectual. Let's say that. you can have a good conversation. You can reason with you. You have common sense. But at the same time, more you have a little gangster look. That makes sense. More you have a little gangster look with a nerdish look there, making you look like you're so nerd. More you have a little bad boy swag them. You don't want no bad boy out there walk up and down with gun and them thief and criminal. That's not the bad boy I look for, but you have to have that gangster swag there where you feel safe and you can put yourself together but still being intelligent at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So that's one of them. I know I may sound a little bit shallow or whatever saying this, but the first thing I look for that I see is appearance. Your face. If you're handsome, I'm sorry, I cannot be with an ugly man. I cannot. And I know everybody say like, oh, but you just talk about intellectual. Yeah, but that me find out after. After me see your face and it draw me attention, to make me say, damn, I'm on a sexy, body turn up, face turn up, lips them cute, all these things. Yeah. That draws me first to you. And then when you open your mouth, make sure your teeth them fixed or teeth them look proper. Okay, if your teeth them yellow and look all over the place, that is like, works. That now work out. But if you open your mouth and your mouth look right, your teeth look right, your breath now kick, then we move a little further into it. And that's when I hear how you sound speaking. Now, if you sound like you don't have no sense, so then all of a sudden I don't see how you're looking because your cuteness cannot bypass your intelligence right there. So it's also bye-bye. So personality, mouth, conversation. Those are the things that I look for first in a guy. And then, of course, after having the conversations, then I need to hear how ambitious you are. I don't want no workless man. And if you're only about being a materialistic person, that's also not for me. Because we don't want nobody come, hey Kamira, welcome. But nobody come, they come tell me about, you ever find them man that come tell about what they have and what they can give you? Like you have something on your face or some notice or a placard or something that says, please help me financially or help me buy one car or something. Like they just come and tell you everything what they can give you. Like that, you greet me with that conversation, I'm like, alright, bye. Just, I never call one bank or no financial institution to come over here and come rescue me. Like, no. Let us have a conversation. Let's talk about you. Well, go on, mama. Let's talk about you. And then in that conversation, then, we'll find out to see your ambitions. And if I'm somebody who I want in my life, help me out, if me need help out or whatever not. But I don't want you to come and just start telling me about all the things that you have and all that, like me I want charity case. Because I'm not gonna be with you for money. Like that's not my thing, right? It's definitely a turn off for me. Like that just chill my vibes. So again, that I mean not even see how cute you'll be. Cause that just turned me off completely. So yeah, you have to be ambitious. I don't want anybody talking about or driving the latest car, but then you can't, live in a house, you don't rent, you don't live with a mother, you live with a sister, you catch with a brethren, or you drive a brethren car and they hype up on it, like that's no, and there's something you call scrub. So we don't work with that something either. Right? I definitely not gonna do with a man with too much baby mother. I cannot do that. Again, I said the last time, I don't deal with drama. So that's definitely no. I may have 3 pitney. So if I got it right now, if you go date, there's no way we don't pick up our next man. But don't get me wrong. If you have kids, that's okay. But the different baby mother them, like multiple baby mothers, no. I can't do that. And I'll depend on the baby man of them will be. So that's another thing that I cannot do. So my man have to have appearance, he have to look good, he have to handsome, he have to have good teeth and good breath. He have to know if he can dress, he have to know of he have to have ambition, want to achieve good things in life, and if you know progress, whether you want to do your own business or what kind of job that you're doing, and you know how to progress. And if you don't have everything, don't get me wrong, if you don't have everything but have the ambition to go there and you're working towards it, that's definitely cool as well. Because I like to help people, I like to build people, and I like to feel like we're a team, you know what I mean? So if we get together and everything and we are trying to build and make a team, that's okay. And look here, right now, my old girl too, so let me talk about that a little bit. Back in the days when I was in my 20s, we would climb together. But now if me should have go look one man, you're supposed to have something to go on for you. As I said before, you kind of live in your mother's house. You have to have one like something to push down for yourself, and a little car or something. You have to have one job, but you know, like a 9 to 5, the workout. You understand? So you don't come look my face like no papa. I cannot do that. So those are some of the things that I look for, you know, and that I would look for if I'm dating. Oh, okay. My mom wants to join. Let me join you, mommy. Let me join you. Let me add you over here. And for the first time ever on a live, I'm so excited. Come on, my mother. Come on, my mother. It's cool. My mom's talking to me about man. That's something. Come on, moment, guys. I'm trying to add my mom. She wants to talk to me about guys. It's gonna be interested. What a Flo she have. She's all the way in Jamaica. And Flo not have nothing about them. Every night I come and request them. And then okay. Hey, Auntie Lauren in the building. Thank you. The last time it never come straight in. We see you after. But thank you for joining. From man, I have no friggin' roommates. Nope. I don't care what you guys want to say. No roommate at this age. Back in the day, 20 or something. Maybe, you know. But at this age, no. Nope, not in my 30s. No roommates. Nope, can't happen. If you have a car, you can have a place for yourself. I'm sorry. So you must be paying your own rent or paying your own mortgage or something like that. But you kind of catch up with your yard. And they share no rent with nobody. I'm sorry. That's just me. Well, Orchid, I want things I know your name. It's supposed to be somebody from Alvernia. But I can't remember what your real name is. You listen to it. Tell me. I'll come on camera and talk it in like people here. I make sure to have your wine. Tell me them. Yes, right? What's your name? I can't remember your name because I know you. But no, Cami, that's Camera. By the way, make sure you comment. Make sure to come at the Mount Alvernia reunion. Make sure that you guys are coming. It's gonna be fun. We're planning it's some serious planning and you know, Yannick. Okay, Yannick, thank you for joining. And you know, work on it, John, my girl. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate that. Thank you. Let me know, Camera and Yannick, when I come at the reunion, right? It's 20 years. Can you believe that, people? 20 years. We're doing a 20-year reunion with our high school. I used to go to Alvernia High back in Jamaica. That's the best girls' school, all girls' school, Catholic girls' school. Can't believe me, it's a Catholic school. Yes. I went to an all girls Catholic high school. And for 20 years, we're trying to plan a reunion, and we're just finally having it. So I'm so excited to go. And I want everybody that's out there watching from Alvernia, class 2001. Hey, my sister, no. I'm sorry. Thank you for joining. I was asking for you, actually. But yeah, all my girlfriends out there, all my classmates out there, class 2001, come on and join, come on and come to this reunion. It's going to be fun. It's a blast. Plus, you not have no excuse because it's going to be through Zoom. It's not exciting. Back to the schedule. We are talking about what you guys look for in a man or a woman when dating. Send that comment or send that request and I will accept you, and you come in and we can have a conversation. All right, I see. It flies. We can't kill them. All right, so Auntie Lorraine says she's looking for someone that's loving, that's honest, hardworking, loves the Lord. Amen. Yes, I forgot that part too. Good communication and loves to travel, etc. Your list long to you still have etc. after all these things. You're like, you don't have an interview. I said, okay, are you loving? But I agree. The loving part, honest, hardworking, loves the Lord, of course. I love a man that can pray, goes to church. You don't have to be a Christian, but you have to believe in God. Yes, you have to. The travel part, so I'm born 9 times. So if you don't need to love travel, that's okay. But the only part me kind of different with you. But the etc. Me kind of curious for the etc. Auntie Patsy, I see you. Welcome. Auntie Patsy. Again, if you haven't already gone over to my YouTube channel, go over there and like and subscribe all my videos. Well, subscribe and like and share all my videos. Anybody on the outside that's watching, come on in. Come on in, man, and talk to me. Oh my God, my hair is beautiful. Could it be because you did it, Auntie Lorraine? Could it be because I have the best hairdresser in all of Connecticut? Could that be the reason? I think that's the reason. Thank you. I want to make sure I don't have liquor or something drinking. What's in my cup stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My water is in my bottle. I was like, no, man. Let me tell you some more of my business. I'm trying not to be rude, but he has to be good in bed too. I don't know if people don't want to say that. Who is requesting to be added on? All right, Mama, trying again. Let's see if Mama works out this time. My mother wanted to talk to me online about my. Hello, Mommy.
I got it.
Finally, yeah.
I didn't give up trying.
We don't do something there. We used to always continue.
No, I set goals and work toward it. I play billiard.
So that me say you and my mother, I can't get this attitude from somewhere. So people, just let me announce it. I'm not going to announce people, but this is my mom. This is where all of this came from. Look at her. See? So, Mommy, I don't understand. Well, I know we talk about everything, but it's going to be a little bit weird because we're on camera. So, I don't know if it'll be open to me as we're normally open together, right? But we know we chat about everything. But so tell me, when dating, what are some of the characteristics you look for in a person or in a man? What do you look for?
Well, I look for everything in a man from the head to the toe down. Yes. 1, checking the groom of his hair, checking his teeth.
That's right, the teeth operated.
Yes. And from the waist down, looking at the bulge and all that too. I'm straight like that. I'm looking down to the shoes to look
Oh,
to
that's
see.
so. Oh, that's where I get it from. That's where I get it from.
No, to be honest, if his shoes is lean, then he won't be able to buy me one. So. And then, some people might just look and say, oh, he maybe can buy one shoes later and can do it. No. You have to make yourself prepare.
You can't contact me on your shoes. I agree.
Right. So if your shoes heel start look lean from the first day, then you don't afford yourself another one, so you won't afford me one. So I look at a lot of things.
And I'm not cut your moment, but let me put it out there this way, because I don't want anybody to misunderstand what we're saying. And we're not saying that we're trying to judge people by how they're dressing, right? But because sometimes they might do some kind of work, like maybe construction or mechanic work, so they don't look dirty or whatever not. But we're talking about if we go to like a restaurant, or my mom not go bar because she's a Christian, but we go out, nice place we're supposed to dress up, and you to come approach me and I want shoes are broke down and I want a shirt or tear up, not put together. That's what we're talking about. Those are the things.
They have to be torn up, but you see the shirt not pressed, you can see, it look like it takes one bag, and but you might try to impress you, but I mean, can't work.
And I also feel like it depends on the age, right? Because if you were younger, you'd have maybe overlooked certain things, but at the age that you get mature, like certain things like you have to see.
It begins from up there. If you reach that age and him not still look good, then him may look good from beginning either. So that's
no. I'm saying like maybe like when you're younger, as in your 20s or younger, like certain things you'd have maybe push past and say, sure, you're young or whatever. But now that we're older and we're more mature, like, or what we're looking for is heightened. You get what I'm saying? Like, we're not gonna look funny if you say, okay, maybe 20 you could not iron one shirt. Maybe I'm not a teacher for iron a shirt, but you reach 30, now you reach 40, you reach 50, you still can't iron a shirt to look presentable. What you have to do?
The thing is, if you're gonna be a man 10 years down the road, it begins from today.
Sure.
It begins from today. So if you're gonna be nice to me 10 years down the road, I can know from today. Starts at day one.
Mm-hmm.
So, there's a lot of things. Yeah, as time goes by, you can grow to togetherness. You build a relationship now, so you know what you're going into. You know what to expect and how you can come together to make it work in a relationship now. But going out on a date, no, impress me. Yeah, you have to impress me, and then when you impress me there, so they know if down look a bit down the way, they know this is saying no work out. Then bye.
Right. But remember though, we kind of skip over it. While Orchid says we should be smart, makes me laugh, ambitious, and willing to put in work, good looking. Of course, exactly. I totally agree, Unique. And my mother, this said something before, and I want to go back to it. If I just jump in it and just fly over it. It's about a bulge something there below the waist. we have to go back to that. We can't just skip over that. That's a very important part of it, because after you go through all of the check mark, good looking, tick, ambitious, tick. We had the conversation the other day about those size matter, and I feel like it's gonna tie back into this right now that I'll be talking about. But like, you have all of that. I'm sorry, but you still have to have something that I can work with. you do. Like, there's no way, say, okay, the good looks can catch up fit, even though look the way. No, because what will happen when we spend 20 years together? Are you not willing to do? Like, no. You have to have a full package I look for. Sorry. Are you hugging a teddy bear?
Yes. This is my husband.
Another full package.
Yes. Yes. Full package. Full package.
So, guys, now you see where I get my personality from. It's from my crazy mom right there. And she mentioned that she looks for the full package, right? From the head down to the toe.
Definitely.
And let me show you, it has to be a Christian and God-fearing person. Because my mom.
Definitely.
And I'm sorry, but whoever she dates me. Because I have to make sure it's okay. Just letting you know. You know that too. So anybody out there that's... Yes, mommy.
And I mean not just you alone. Remember, I have another one too would be looking out or putting our way out to make sure.
Yes, my little sister.
Yeah.
My little sister. We are bulldog. We are bulldog when it comes out to our mother. And we have to approve everything.
She's crazy about who says I like your mother.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm a malice and cuss.
Yeah.
Yes.
So no.
Whoever dates her, I'm sorry, but you're gonna date the whole of our daughters them. Okay. So
you know, I pop in this little piece.
What that?
Somebody looked at me. It was a younger guy who looked at me the other day and said, "Oh my God." He said to my daughter, was like, "Oh, your mommy looks so how my mommy look?" Yeah, no man, she hot man. Like her boot. Look on her foot them. Oh, you not get none. No man, if your mother were a little bit younger or if you were a little bit older, then trust me, you'd have to give your mother trouble, yeah. Who fire so? Who fire so left my mother? The father with it, he said, no, your mommy foot cute. You'd have give her a problem.
No, you need to stop. Yeah, she need to stop. You need to stop talk. Man knows the mother must put him in a place. Rude and outside.
Yes, he said he's crazy about bow legs, so. Oh, you not get none. I know your mother that. I know your mother, man. You know?
Look here,
so,
go buy some crossbow. That needs to go do.
Oh, please. You see, there you go again.
No, but what the hell am I calling this little picnic? Go find that ear. Drake come from my mother come talk about go put on where you're doing the young. Look here, whoever you pick, go find crossbow.
Nothing is wrong with it. He's ambitious. He's ambitious.
You need to cut down your ambition a little bit there. Go look for your age. Look a boy.
No, generally I would be on this program, but I support my daughter and I watch my work. Hi everybody. Bye.
Thank you so much, mommy. I love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
Bye.
I don't even know how to get off.
So, people, that was my mommy. And that explains to you how I am. She supports everything that I do, no matter what. She's always there. And this is not, as she said before, this is not her thing to actually come on video contact. It's she not better with our teddy bear. But thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate that, and I appreciate the fact that you came on and come out to your shell and join me on video. All right, so guys, just in case you missed what we were talking about, first of all, you're on Happy Hour with KeneishaSays Facebook Live, obviously, because we're live, right? And it's every other Friday. So not next Friday, but the Friday after that, we'll be here with another topic. Normally, we start at 8 p.m. Central Time. The topic for today is when dating, what are some of the characteristics you look for in that person? So I just had my mom on. We know that Auntie Lorraine just made mention of some of the stuff that she looks for as well. And Yannick also did the same, Wild Orchid. So let me look for another one, man. if he has kids or whether or not he has kids, he has to be good with kids as well, right? Whether I want kids, whether I have kids, but you have to be good with kids, just caring on a whole. And you have to treat your mother right. Like, I watch how you treat your family members, especially your mother and your sister them and stuff like that. Because sometimes based on, not single sometimes, based on how a man treats his mother, or even how a woman treats your mother, or father, or whatever not, you know how they will treat you in the future. Don't feel special if you feel like he might talk to your mother one particular way or disrespect your mother. Don't feel different, like feels like he don't talk to you any differently. It just mean that he's disrespectful. And on that note, he must be a respectful person on a whole. What else? I want a man that is handy. I can't live with you, and if they say we finally say we don't date or whatever not, I don't want to feel like say if the plumbing have an issue, the pipe have an issue, we have to call plumber for everything. If I want a little shelf put up in the house, we have to call carpenter or whatever to do that. Like, you have to be, I don't mean you have to do everything, you know, but you must can't have a little something or sitting about you can do in a house, right? What else? So me telling her everything already, you know. I'm not sure if I have more things to tell her now. He must be a patient person. He must be patient. And it, like, I not only want him to communicate, but I honestly want him to want to know what's going on with me. You understand? Like, you coming from work, you know, how was your day? Stuff like that. Someone that's appreciative. Someone that appreciates everything that you do for them and show their appreciation. Someone that is not ungrateful. You know, every woman wants to hear them look nice, or baby, you look pretty today, or look beautiful today, or I love you now and then. You must have that little thing about you, like caring and said that already, but maybe I get a little more details tonight. I like a man that is just have a little bit of jealousy in them, but not overwhelmingly jealous. When you're too jealous, I can't manage you. But you must just have a little bit. When you have a little bit of jealousy, just come out to be sexy. But when you overpour it, it's just annoying and just drive me insane. I know you just look too fool if everything you do jump up a jealous fan. Like, that's my list. I'm not picky. I feel like everything is more like a repetition. Oh, and you must also be able to help yourself in terms of knowing how to clean and cook. And I feel like the things that I don't figure that neither. Like, if I'm home, if I'm working or whatever, not in your home, like, you're not supposed to feel like, say, if you don't cook, you can't cook. No. If we're both working, whoever come home first, we help with each other. You know what I mean? I don't mind coming out there and help you do whatever that you're doing outside. If you want help, you can ask, or we can come watch you, go and watch you. But I feel like everybody should be able to do, you know, just help out. But I feel like if you go get up and cook and clean daily or whatever now. But if you see something you can do, no sit down and wait for me to do it. You must help out and do it too. I think that's it. I don't feel like, yeah, I'm gonna really have a lot. Yannick said she was at work, so she can't talk, but at least she's still typing. Yannick, I really appreciate you coming on, to be honest. The fact that you're at work and you're still watching and interacting with me through chat. Thank you so much. And guys, for every night that you guys come on, for everybody who continues to watch me every single night that I come on and continue to support my YouTube, I really, really, really appreciate it, because I know you didn't have to, but you do it anyway. So thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So just continue to spread the word. For vibes, I feel like I want to stop play some music in that background, but only because I edit edit this and put it on YouTube, you know, then copyright thing that are not normal. So that's the only reason. But happy, I feel like we need to have some music and stuff. You know, and I agree. Tell me if I agree. We need to have some music and then something that I run in our background. I play in our background for build our vibes. Yeah. Have a buzz. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. I feel like we need to have a. So this is what I'm gonna. But if I do it, it's just gonna be so hard to that YouTube thing. But I'll figure it out. I need. Let's have a buzz in our background. Yeah. We'll figure it out. But let's see how best I can do it. That. The only other way is just to keep the live and just not put it on YouTube. But then it's that segment itself. So I don't want to take it away from my YouTubers. But I'll figure it out. I feel like that would bring our vibes and drink and have fun. So I want to figure it out and see how best I can do that. I already tell you now. You must have one good package in iron pants. You must not only have the package in iron pants, you must kind of use it too. I don't want nobody who come and throw something out as soon as them satisfy themselves, then drop asleep. Let me satisfy myself first, and then let me drop asleep. And then you're kind of what's after. That sounds so selfish. I need a handsome man. I need a man that intelligent but young at the same time, who is God-fearing, who is loving and caring, a good communicator, who loves his family and his mommy especially, who love kids and, you know, just love kids, have good interactions with kids. Is it ambitious already? Have them priorities right, you know? And put me first. Like, he has to put me first. I need to be the number one priority apart from his kids. Like, it can't feel like you want put me on the side for whatever. Like, I need to know things. You need to make sure that Mother's Day, birthday, anniversary, anything, you know, you go out, especially you take care of me. And not only on those days. Sometimes you can just come in the house and just give me a rose. You want a man who appreciates you and just come home and kiss you up for no reason, or just present you with a gift for no reason, or you're there at work and sitting, you only see some flowers appear. You wonder what the hell this is for, and you look and it's your husband, put a smile on your face. You have put in a mood before you reach home. You know, those things, like them say a happy wife, a happy life. So it's the same thing. If you're trying to be out there and trying to court a woman or whatever not, you need to make sure that you're putting everything out there. You know, so coming up, even if you don't have all of the cute face and all these things, whatever not, make up for it somewhere else. You know what I mean? Sometimes when I tell you that you have some guys with some personality that's just crazy that you don't even their personality make them look so beautiful. You don't even imagine them they're ugly. I choose. Anybody else want to jump on for 2 minutes? I'm January, but not Capricorn. I'm actually an Aquarian. Yes. Tell me about it. Yani, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you did, you would not have asked me that question. Go and watch my Q&A video, and it will tell you all about me and me talk about my Aquarius. We are the best. We are the best. But I want to say one more time, if you haven't already gone over and watched my YouTube channel and subscribe, please go ahead and do so. KeneishaSays. You can also follow me on Instagram. And if you are, I'm thinking that everybody on here is already following me on KeneishaSays Facebook, right? But guys, I really appreciate you guys joining every single night that I'm on. I appreciate your views, your support. I want you to guys to go ahead and share these videos and stuff like that. Go ahead and watch. And again, look out for my live. My live every other Friday. It's happy hour with KeneishaSays, where we come, we have our drink or wine or water, whatever it is that you want to drink, whatever in your cup is for your business. But we want to come on and have fun, talk about anything you want to talk about. So drop some comment if you have a topic that you want to talk about, and I can do that for you. If you feel like if there are certain things that you feel like I want to do that would make this more interactive, that make you more comfortable, go ahead and do so. Also, you can also send me an inbox, okay? If you don't feel like you want to put it on the outskirt like that. Thank you again for your support, and thank you for watching. So until later, bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say when me